How to fix YouTube comment section not showing. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily fix if you're unable to find YouTube comment section. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up YouTube application on your device, tap on it and make sure that you're logged in as well. Then tap on any one of the video. So for example, for this video, if I just scroll down here, I'm not able to tap on the comments right besides the like button or dislike button. And it says the restricted mode has hidden comments for this video. Even if I go to full screen mode, it won't be available. So what I'm going to do is turn off the restricted mode. You can easily go to restricted mode from here, or just go to a U section at the bottom right and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Then from here, tap on general right on top, and then you find the restricted mode turned on. So what you do is basically turn this off, go back, and I'll just go over to the same video from my history. And now I can easily access the comment section from here, and I can also leave a comment. So tap on this add a comment button and you could just send this comment and post it publicly. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.